Good morning, it's Corndog Caravan, and we are coming to you today at the Enchanted Rock State Natural Area. Natural or nature area? Anyway, we are just a few miles north of Fredericksburg, Texas, and we are about to hike the Summit Trail. So as you can see, all the way up to the top, there's people all up there. It's 425 feet. And it goes for 0.7 miles. So it's short, but steep. So we're gonna go do that today, and then we're going to take the doggies out and let them walk around the loop trail. So if you come here and you have dogs, they cannot summit. Anything with elevation, they can't summit. But they do have trails that you can take your dogs on when you're done. We got super blessed today with very cool temperatures. So the dogs are super comfortable in their home. And I think we will be able to do this without breaking a sweat. And follow us.
A little chilly.
It is a little chilly, but I'll take that over
90
degrees, which is probably what it's going to be in 2 days here. So we're going to take advantage of it and go get our hike on.
We're in the middle of May too. That's even crazier.
We are in the middle of May.
In Texas.
Yep. So enjoy.